In our choir, we sing lots of songs and we have a lot of fun, but the thing I remember most is Porth Festival.
We made lanterns at Llwyncelyn Boys Club. It took an hour and a half to make them, and I had to start again because mine broke in two. We lit the lanterns and walked up to the monastery where we met the mayor. She was short, kind and very pretty with her white hair and designer glasses.
We had a lot of fun watching the dancing and meeting Father Christmas, and we sang for the people around, but we sang in Welsh so the people didn't join in.
The choir isn't all fun. It made me sad when I had to miss my kayak lesson to go to a concert, but then I missed the air of the North Wales to go on holiday in Spain.
The choir has to practice lots and lots. Once we were on TV in the church, it was very hard to get the right notes for every single word. Our throats were hurting because we sang it over and over and over again.
It can be exciting in the choir. In there, we were competing against other choirs. We sang for a long stage, and after we walked off, we had to sit outside. They called us back in to tell us we had lost. It made us feel very down, but we knew we had done our best.